Did you know that the Quran contains truths that modern science only uncovered centuries later? Today we'll explore 7 scientific miracles hidden within the Quran: the astonishing shape of the earth, discovered only in recent centuries; the origin of life, upon which everything depends; the secret of mountains that stabilize the earth; the endless expansion of the universe; the precise stages of embryonic development, proven through advanced microscopes; the invisible barriers between seas; and iron, which came to Earth from the depths of stars. But this is just a glimpse. Would you like to uncover how these wonders are described with such incredible accuracy in the Quran? Stay with us, as each of these miracles will leave you amazed. Miracle 1. The shape of the earth. In Surah An-Nazi'at, verse 30, Allah says, "And after that he spread the earth." The word dahaha literally means to spread out. But interestingly, this term is derived from a root word that refers to the egg of a camel, indicating an oval shape. For centuries it was believed that the earth was flat. However, modern science has shown that the earth is spherical, with a slight bulge at the equator, making it oblate. The fact that the Quran referred to this shape in such detail is astonishing, especially when we consider that this book was revealed in a time when modern scientific instruments did not exist. This also points to a greater truth: the harmony between religion and science. While many believe science and religion are in conflict, these verses show that the Quran was ahead of its time, revealing truths that were later confirmed by science. Miracle 2. The origin of life. In Surah Al-Anbiya, verse 30, Allah says, "And we made from water every living thing." This truth is confirmed by modern biology. Today we know that all living cells depend on water for life. Approximately 70% of the human body and most living organisms are made of water. What's fascinating is that water is the only liquid with unique properties, such as a high boiling point and freezing point, which are essential for sustaining life on Earth. Scientific experiments have shown that water plays a key role in transporting nutrients to cells and removing waste from the body. How could a book revealed in the 7th century have mentioned this scientific fact? This verse is not only scientifically accurate, but it also carries a deeper message. Both life and survival are dependent on Allah's divine provision. Miracle 3. Mountains as pegs for the earth. In Surah An-Naba verses 6-7, Allah says, "Did we not make the earth as a bed, and the mountains as pegs?" Today, geology has shown that mountains are structures with deep roots, acting like pegs that help stabilize the earth's crust. Mountains prevent the movement of tectonic plates and help reduce earthquakes, maintaining the balance of the earth. This is particularly true for large mountain ranges, such as the Himalayas, which have deep roots beneath the Earth's surface. The Quran referred to this fact at a time when people had no knowledge of the Earth's internal structure, providing another sign of divine knowledge. Miracle 4. The expansion of the universe. In Surah Ad-Dariyat, verse 47, Allah says, "And we are expanding it." This verse refers to the expansion of the universe, a truth that scientists did not understand until the 20th century. The discovery of the universe's expansion is one of the greatest scientific achievements of the last century. Edwin Hubble, the famous astronomer, showed that galaxies are moving away from each other, which means the universe is expanding. This finding later became the foundation of the Big Bang theory. But how could this fact be present in the Quran? In the time of its revelation, people thought the universe was fixed and unchanging. This verse once again shows that divine knowledge surpasses human understanding. Miracle 5. Stages of embryonic development. In Surah Al-Mu'minun, verses 12-14, the stages of embryonic development are described in detail. "Then we created the sperm drop into a clot, and we created the clot into a lump of flesh." These verses refer to 3 key stages in the development of the embryo: the sperm, a drop of fluid, The clot, something resembling a leech that attaches to the womb. The lump, a piece of flesh resembling chewed meat. Modern medical science has precisely confirmed these stages. What's remarkable is that these descriptions were given at a time when no scientific tools were available to observe embryonic development. This demonstrates the divine revelation and the truth of the Quran. Miracle 6. Barriers between waters. In Surah Ar-Rahman verses 19 to 20, Allah says, "Between them is a barrier that they do not transgress." This phenomenon occurs where saltwater and freshwater meet. Scientists have discovered that differences in density and salinity create a natural barrier that prevents these two types of water from mixing. This scientific truth reveals the order and precision of the Creator and once again confirms the Quran's harmony with modern science. Miracle 7. The origin of iron. In Surah Al-Hadid, verse 25, Allah says, "And we sent down iron." Scientists have proven that iron on Earth originated from exploded stars. The process of iron formation requires extremely high temperatures and pressures, conditions that are only possible in large stars. The fact that the Quran refers to iron as being sent down points to its extraterrestrial origin and divine intervention in the creation of the universe. Conclusion. Thus, 7 scientific miracles are just a glimpse of the wonders in the Quran. This divine book transcends time and place, carrying a universal message. Isn't it time we reflect on the greatness of this book and take inspiration from its wisdom?